I'm here with the 2002 Audi A6 Quattro all-wheel drive sedan. Giving you a video tour walk around so you have a better idea of what it's like in person. Super straight body, you can see a reflection in the paint. Beautiful headlights. Tires have excellent tread. The car looks new inside and out. Dual exhaust. Super straight car. Here's the back seats. Door panels are immaculate. Interior is immaculate. No holes, tears, rips, or stains. No foul odors. Heated rear seats. Rear air. Headliner's perfect. Moonroof. Alright, let's see the front. Same thing. Great looking door panels. All power controls on the seats. Tiptronic transmission. You have the ability to shift it manually if you so desire. Let's start the car up. Everything works on the car too. Starts right up. You can hear the radio works. Turn the fan up on the AC. Here you can see 93,000 miles. Engine runs perfectly temperature-wise. Runs perfectly RPMs and idle-wise. Super smooth. Oil's the right temperature. The engine's perfect. Alternator's working, you have good voltage. You can see the ABS light is on. And the little traction sensor light is on. The brakes work perfectly. It's just a sensor that controls those lights, but the functionality is completely there. There's no check engine light, airbag lights on. Those are really the only little flaws with this vehicle. Everything's in super great condition. No wear on the steering wheel or the shifter knob. The dash has no cracks in it. Again, here you can see the moonroof opening up, and then we close it here. And here it comes. Beautiful. Front and passenger and driver's side windows work great. To the back as well. There you go. So everything works. Even, let's see here. Here's my driver's seat. You can see it. Move forward. Alright. Let's take her for a spin. I need to put my seatbelt on. Alright, let's go. Everything functions excellently on the vehicle. The transmission shifts flawlessly. Let's go a little low on gas. Let's see, the idle is exactly where it should be. I'll get on it here in a second. Alright, I'm going to floor it. Perfect shifts. And there's 80 miles an hour. And we're at 90. Another shift. Excellent. Super straight alignment. No pull to either side. Get on the brakes. There's no stutter. There's no squealing. The suspension's perfect. There's no rattles or bumps or clunks with the suspension. It is as smooth and tight a ride as you could expect out of a new Audi all-wheel drive model. Thanks for checking out the car, and give me a call if you have any questions.